The next test we're going to look at is the Ictotest. And on the one side, you're going to get out, I already pulled it out here. This is our bottle of little tablets. And then on the other side, there's going to be these little pads. I'm going to pull one of these out. Let's get this torn apart here. Ah! Okay, I got it. I tore it apart. And so there's my little pad. So reading through the instructions, I start by putting 10 drops of urine in the middle of the test pad. Oops, I put my little bottles in the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little drops. Ha ha ha. Okay, sorry. They'll count on you there. So then I'm going to open up the bottle. I'm going to go in. I'm going to grab a tablet out of the bottle. Oops, I got 2. I don't want 2. I just want 1. I'm going to set it, and then I'm going to, set it on the pad, and then I'm going to put the lid right on the bottle right away because we don't want these getting wet. The moisture from the air can make them very bad. So we're going to set that there. Then I'm going to add 1 drop of deionized water to the tablet. I'm going to let it sit for 5 seconds. And then I'm going to add a 2nd drop to the tablet and let it wash off like it just did. So now I need to wait 60 seconds. And I'm going to look at the bottom of the mat, and we're looking for any sort of purple color. So the reason we do this is because we're looking for any sort of bilirubin. So if the bilirubin is positive or if the urobilinogen is positive, we want to know what's going on. This is extra sensitive. This is way more sensitive than the strip is. But we need to make sure it's really there because urine that has high pigments can stain the pad. And if it stains the pad, we're not going to be able to tell the difference between is it really bilirubin or is it actually just the urine was so orange it stained the pad. So you can look here, we have laminated instructions, and you can see here, this is the purple that we're looking for a positive, versus a negative is any red, yellow, orangish type of color. So you're really looking for that purple color. So after about a minute, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the pad, and if you can't tell, just take the forceps and slide it over. And if you can't see, I'm going to pick it up for you. I'll take it off. And you can see there's no purple on there. It's still just the yellow urine, a little bit of like an orangish haze in the middle. So therefore, that is going to be a negative test. So I grab my paper, and that is a confirmatory test for bilirubin. Bilirubin is going to be the Ictotest, and it's negative, which again lines up with what we got before.